Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy a video in Filmr. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on the video that you want to copy, and after that press on the three dots here. Now you can just press on copy and you will be able to copy the video. As you can see, there is going to be basically now a copy of that video, basically an exact duplicate. And you can just do with it whatever you want. For example, you can just try to use the second video as a prototype and see what you can do with it, and just try basically all of the editing that you want to do on that video as an example, and if it is successful you can just do it on the main video as well. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.